All right, match number 18. Let's see some Aton action. I'm not seeing anything that tells me points yet, so we might be going in telly up with 0-0, but let's wait 5 seconds. All right, 0-0. Drivers take control of their robots. We want to see some stacks. Looks like the gearheads are stuck in the scoring platform. One thing that a lot of teams noticed as this season started when they learned about this field was just how steep an incline those scoring platforms are. And how maybe if you build the kit apart's chassis, you'll get stuck on it sometimes. You won't be able to get your front wheels over and then your back wheels. You might scrape on it on the middle of your chassis. And so that might be what we saw there. So Cougar Robotics taking on a strategy very popular at this event today. They're driving up to the human player station. They're building the stack right there. They already have a potential 10 points sitting in their bot with that recycling container, and they're just building that number of totes. So right now they got 1 gray tote for 2 points. They add to that with a recycling container for another 6, and another 6 with that noodle, that piece of litter. And they're growing that stack. They're growing that stack. 3 gray totes now. 3 gray totes. So those 3 gray totes now, that's going to give them 6 points. The recycling container on top, another 8, that makes it 18-point stack, and then add 6 to that. Nice job with the 24-point stack, and we continue to grow that stack for the Red Alliance. Nice work. Meanwhile, Hatter's Robotics, also the Red Alliance, putting 2 totes on the scoring platform. 4 points there. Add a recycling container. Make it 12. Why not? The Blue Alliance has really shaken up that landfill. There are totes all over the place. I don't yet see the ends, but I get the memes. Shaking up the landfill. Malvern now looking to top this Blue Alliance stack with a recycling container. Looking at 8 points right now. They want to make that 24. Oh, and the recycling container topples. They are not going to make that any more than 8. 24 would have been really handy for this Blue Alliance. 3, 2, 1. All right, score coming up, match number 18. And there you have it. The Red Alliance gets itself a score of 43. The Blue Alliance gets itself a score of 18. We saw a really nice Red Alliance stack there. That's 16 tote points, 20 container points. And we see some teams moving up in the rankings. Nice.